everyone. My name is Ma. Today I will read book My Helicopter.
Yeah.
I can fly over the
Field.
field.
Yeah, field.
I
This is field. Yeah.
Yes.
The field can plant
in rice.
rice. Yes.
I can fly over the mountains.
Yeah, mountains. Yeah.
I can fly over the
Orchard. Yeah.
I can fly over the orchard.
Yes. This is orchard. Yeah. There is apple tree. Yeah, it's an orchard. And if there is a dragon fruit tree, is an orchard. Huh? Durian tree is an orchard. Huh?
I can fly over the lake.
Yeah, it's the lake.
I can fly over the city.
Yes, it's city. City has a lot of buildings, high buildings.
Yes. I can fly over the building.
You do you remember bridge?
I can fly over the bridge. I can fly over the street.
Yes. Where is street?
This is here.
Yes, good. You can cross over the
I
street.
can fly home.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I
I want to go to the teeth.
No. Desert.
Desert.
No, desert. Desert.
Desert.
Desert.
Desert.
Desert.
Desert.
You say desert.
I want to go to
the R. They say R. Arctic. Yes. And in the Arctic has
a polar bear.
a polar bear. Yeah, polar bear and
glue.
yes, and glue. You live in glue to keep you warm.
I want to go to the thingy.
No, jungle.
Jungle. This is jungle.
Yes.
Jungle has many snakes.
Yeah. But I see one snake.
I want to go to the
Seaside. Yeah.
Seaside. I want to see in a castle.
Again.
Castle.
Read again.
Castle.
Read again.
I want to go to the castle.
Castle.
Castle. I want to go to the castle. I want to go to the
circus. Yeah, it's a circus. Circus has a monkey, clown, elephant, and do show. Do show, yes.
I want to go to the
The amusement.
I want to go to the amusement
Amusement, yes. Amusement.
park.
Again. I want to go to the amusement park.
I want to go to the amusement park.
Yeah.
I want to go to the moon.
Yes.
I can fly.
Yeah.
I can taste.
I can cross
I can cross the
whole
whole
ocean.
ocean.
Whole ocean.
I can cruise. I can cruise.
No. Spell.
I can cross
Yes.
the
Desert.
desert too.
Yes. Turn the page. Help me. Yes.
I can climb a tall building.
Yeah. Building.
Building.
Yeah. Turn the page.
I can climb on the mountain. A mountain too.
Yes. She play.
Jungle gym.
Now she play in a park. You say in the amusement park, and she think she can climb a mountain too. Yes, she thinks.
I can drive a car fast.
Yeah, she
Right in the back.
she rides
In the back.
on a bike,
Yes.
but she thinks she rides a car fast.
I can drive a train too.
Yeah. Look at the picture and what do you see?
I see train. I see
No.
car.
Say like me. She plays a train,
She plays a train.
and she thinks
And she thinks
she can drive
a train too.
Yeah.
Toot. I can walk on a
rope
high in
the air.
air. This is air.
Yeah. No, in the air, and it's like in the sky. Yeah. In between two high buildings
I can fly
through
through the
the air
the air
too.
too.
I can fly through the air too.
I can fly through the air too.
Yeah. She plays jungle gym like jungle gym. I don't know what she plays, but she thinks she can fly through the air. You know?
Yes.
Mm.
Thank you, everyone. That's all.